We are moving on to indices discussion. First, let's focus on law of indices. The law is like this. If you have a power m multiplied with a power n, then it can be simply written as a power m plus n. Okay, so when the base is same and when the powers are there, you can simply add the powers. You cannot do this with a power m into b power n. You cannot, because base is not same, it is different. Take an example. Let's say you have like a square multiplied by a cube. You can simply write this as a to the power 2 plus 3, that is a to the power 5. Okay, so this is the rule we follow when you have product. So when you have product with a uniform base and something in the powers, you can simply add them. Next, a power m divided by a power n can be written as a power m minus n, and again ensure the base is same. Take an example. Let's say a power 5 divided by a power 3. It can be written as a power 5 minus 3. It's nothing but a square. But why we are doing it like this? It's simple. Just watch this. A power 5 is nothing but a into a into a into a into a, that is 5 times, divided by a cube, a into a into a. So you cancel the common and what you are left with is a square. That's what you have derived here. The same thing can be applied over here also. If you have a square, it means a into a multiplied by a cube is a into a into a. So how many a's are you are having? 5. So you had a power 5 and both are same. Next, if you have a power m raised to the power n, you can simply multiply these two. That is, you should write it as a power mn. And note this also. If you have ab raised to the power n, it can be written as a power n multiplied by b power n. If you have a by b raised to the power n, then it can be written as a power n divided by b power n. And if you have a power 0, then it should be 1. How is that possible? Why we say a power 0 is equal to 1? Let's take an example. Let's say a cube is divided by a cube. So what you will write? Any number divided by the same number should give you the answer as 1, right? And this a cube divided by a cube can also be written as a cube minus 3. That is, a power m by a power n should be written as a power m minus n, right? So 3 minus 3, that should give the value as 1, because that's what we derived here, right? A power cube by a power cube is equal to 1. So any number divided by the same number should give 1. Since because you are writing in different format, it should not give you some other answer. Okay, so a power 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. A power 0 is equal to 1. So this is the reason why we say a power 0 is equal to 1, or any number to the power 0 is equal to 1.